In this video, we listed the 5 best TIG welding machine on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FEIFANKE ARC 200. The FEIFANKE ARC 200 is a versatile and user-friendly welding machine designed for both beginners and experienced welders. It features a 3.15 x 1.58 foot intelligent LED screen that provides accurate data, including welding current, electrode diameter, arc function, and welding mode. This 3-in-1 welder supports MMA, SYN, and lift TIG welding modes, with auto and manual adjustments for smoother welds and anti-stick functionality. The dual voltage, 110V, 220V, machine delivers up to 200 amps at 220V and 140 amps at 110V, making it suitable for a variety of electrodes and applications such as outdoor maintenance, garages, farms, crafts, and DIY projects. Compact and lightweight at 7.2 pounds, 4.2 kilograms, it is easy to transport and store. The package includes essential accessories like an electrode holder, grounding clamp, mask, brush, and manual. Backed by CE, FCC, UKCA, and UL certifications, FEIFANKE offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 2-year warranty, and replacement for defective machines within 60 days, ensuring reliable customer support. Number 2. HITBOX 200A Welding Machine. The HITBOX Digital MIG Welding Machine HIM 250 DPP is a versatile and multifunctional welding equipment designed for various welding methods, including MIG, gas, gasless, MMA, and lift TIG. Manufactured in mainland China, this welder features an automatic wire feeding speed and operates with an IGBT inverter for efficient performance. It is not a smart device but is CE certified, ensuring compliance with safety standards. The machine is compact, with dimensions of 43 by 24 by 28 centimeters, and lightweight at 6.15 kilograms, making it portable and user-friendly. This welding machine is suitable for professional and hobbyist welders seeking a reliable and efficient tool for their welding needs. Number 3. HZXVOGEN Welding Machine. The HZXVOGEN HVM 200 is a versatile and upgraded inverter MIG welding machine designed for home and professional use. It features a 2-in-1 functionality, supporting both MIG, MAG and MMA, ARC welding, with an intelligent one-button control system and digital display for precise operation. The device is equipped with safety features such as overcurrent, overvoltage, and overtemperature protection, along with a fan cooling system to reduce dust ingress and extend its lifespan. Compact and lightweight, the HVM 200 is more portable compared to traditional welders, with dimensions of 43 cm x 24 cm x 28 cm and a weight of 6.15 kilograms. It comes with a full digital control system for stable arc length, increased efficiency, and energy savings. The welder supports MIG welding for iron and mild steel plates, 0.5-6 mm, and ARC welding for 2.5 mm acid electrodes. It operates with a rated input voltage of AC 110V ±10%, has a rated duty cycle of 60%, and offers an efficiency of 85%. The package includes the HVM 200 welder, an earth clamp, an electrode holder, a MIG welding torch, and flux cord wire. Backed by a 2-year warranty and a 60-day money-back guarantee, the HVM 200 ensures reliability and customer satisfaction. Number 4. HITBOX MIG 250 Welding Machine. The MIG 250 is a versatile 4-in-1 welding machine originating from mainland China, designed for MIG, gas, gasless, MMA, ARC, and TIG welding modes, catering to various welding needs efficiently. Featuring IGBT inverter technology, it ensures stable performance, high quality, and ease of operation while being economical and practical. The welder supports a wire feeding speed of 2 to 14 m/minute and can hold up to 5 kilograms of welding wire, reducing the need for frequent wire changes. Its specifications include an AC230V ±15% input voltage, 5.9 kVA input power, and a welding current range of 30-250 A depending on the mode. With a noise level below 70 dB, it ensures quiet operation and includes features like hot start, arc force, anti-stick, VRD, and inductance adjustment. The package includes the MIG 250 welder, MB 15 MIG torch, electrode holder, earth clamp, gas tube, manual, and flux core. Certified with CE and complying with IEC 6097 for -1, EN 6097 for -1 standards, it is compact, 530 by 290 by 480 mm, lightweight, 12.5 kg, and comes with plug options, EU, US, UK, AU, upon confirmation when ordering. Number 5. ANDELI MIG 250 Welding Machine. The ANDELI MIG 250E is a versatile 3-in-1 welding machine that supports gasless MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding, making it suitable for various applications such as plants, construction sites, and ships. It features advanced IGBT inverter technology for improved efficiency and reliability, delivering a real 120 A output current with an adjustable current range of 5-250 A. The synergic design automatically matches voltage and wire feed speed, simplifying operation for beginners. The split torch design ensures easy repair and smooth wire feeding. With a rated input voltage of AC 220V ±15% and a duty cycle of 60%, it is efficient and durable with an IP21S protection class and F-class insulation. The welder supports welding thicknesses of 1 to 4 mm and offers a power factor of 0.73. Weighing only 5 kg and featuring portable dimensions of 440 by 265 by 325 mm, it is easy to transport. The package includes essential accessories like a MIG welder, MMA holder, ground clamp, flux cord wire, nozzles, and nozzle shields. Additionally, the product comes with a 30-day return, exchange policy, a 2-year warranty, and free replacement parts for added customer assurance.